Hello everybody. As you get into this week's lessons, I wanted to go over the online fraction tools with you. This is in the calendar, so it should be clickable. And when you click it, you see a blank screen. This is where you can build your own fraction bars or fraction circles. So if you were wanting to compare some fractions, you would click on the fraction bar and you decide how many parts that would be. That would be your denominator. So if we made it 10 parts, that would be tenths, and then you can decide down here at the bottom what color you want that to be. I'm going to make mine red, and let's shade in 6/10. So you just click right inside the white pieces there, and actually you can click this fraction at the bottom, this half label, and that shows you 6/10. So then let's say you're going to compare that to another fraction. Remember, you got to line those up. They got to be the exact same size. And let's say we were comparing that to something with eighths, and let's say that we're comparing it to 5/8. So you've got your eighths. Remember, you go down here to pick your color. You might want to pick a new one or keep the same. Let's do 5/8. And we already see our label up. Now that's a close one, but with that model, when it's lined up perfectly, we can see that 6/10 is less than 5/8. Some other functions on here, you can actually draw. If you wanted to write that out, you could put 6/10 is less than 5/8. Not that neat, but kind of fun to do. So that is a little review of this resource. If you wanted to do fraction circles, you could do fraction circles as well. Have fun, play around with it, and I will see you all soon. Bye.